Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more comparisons and tips. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below, and remember, this is based on my experience using these platforms. In this video, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two powerful business platforms, HubSpot and Monday.com. Both offer robust features for collaborative CRM and workflow management, aiming to boost efficiency, teamwork, and overall productivity. But which platform is the perfect match for your specific needs? Let's start with HubSpot. This platform is primarily known for its CRM capabilities, offering a comprehensive suite of tools for marketing, sales, and customer service. HubSpot CRM has a free tier to get you started, with paid options available as your business expands. It's an excellent choice for teams seeking an all-in-one solution for managing contacts, tracking sales pipelines, executing marketing campaigns, and delivering top-notch customer support. HubSpot's workflow and automation features are seamlessly integrated, enabling users to automate repetitive tasks, personalize communications, and effectively nurture leads. Furthermore, its built-in analytics provide valuable insights into campaign performance, sales monitoring, and real-time strategy adjustments. Now, let's turn our attention to Monday.com. This platform is a highly adaptable project management tool that also functions effectively as a CRM, boasting impressive collaboration features. It empowers teams to manage not only customer relationships, but also projects, tasks, and workflows in a visually engaging and intuitive manner. Monday.com's workflows offer exceptional customization, allowing users to create boards tailored to their specific processes, whether in sales, marketing, or customer service. Where Monday.com truly excels is in team collaboration, providing real-time updates, seamless file sharing, and integrated communication tools all within a unified platform. This makes Monday.com an ideal solution for teams requiring a comprehensive platform for both project management and CRM functionalities. So, how do you choose between these two compelling options? If you prioritize a dedicated CRM with integrated marketing and sales tools, HubSpot is likely the better fit. It's particularly beneficial for growing businesses that emphasize customer relationships and marketing automation. Conversely, if your primary focus is on team collaboration, highly customizable workflows, and robust project management capabilities, Monday.com might be the more suitable choice. It offers greater flexibility for managing diverse aspects of your business operations. Both platforms offer exceptional features, but understanding your team's unique needs is crucial for making the right decision. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to explore both HubSpot and Monday.com further.